What's wrong, Doctor? What's going on?
I don't know. I've only ever seen anything like this when my family's got together for Thanksgiving.
Watch the captain panic. Chicago, this is flight 209er. We're in trouble. I've got to have all the traffic below us cleared, and I need a priority landing for Chicago. All right?
I told you. What do we have for dinner tonight?
Well, we had a choice between steak and fish.
Oh yes, I remember. I had craft dinner. What did the co-pilot have?
He had fish.
And the navigator had fish?
He had fish too.
All right then. Was Mr. Plum in the living room with a knife? All right then. Now we know what we're up against. Every passenger on this plane who had fish for dinner will become violently ill in the next half an hour.
How serious is it, Doctor?
It's extremely serious. It starts with a slight fever, dryness of the throat. Then the virus penetrates the red blood cells. The victim becomes dizzy. Then they experience an itching, a rash. From there, the poison goes to work on the central nervous system, causing severe muscle spasms, followed by the inevitable drooling. At this point, the entire digestive system collapses, accompanied by uncontrollable flatulence, until finally the poor bastard is reduced to a quivering, wasted piece of chicken.